Hi everyone, today we're gonna see the subject list here on Python. We have 6 exercises. The first one says, write a function called trim that takes a list and modifies it, removing the first and last element, and returns none. Then write a function called middle that takes a list and returns a new list, containing everything except the first and last element. So we have here um, the name removes the first and last element from the list. And in this part, it returns a new list containing everything except the first and last element. So let's run the program. And this is the original list 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's the numbers. After the trimming, we have 2, 3, and 4. Trim. And finally, we have the new list that is a tree right here. Now let's go with the second exercise. Find which line in the above program is not properly guarded. Guardian method. Try to construct a text file that causes the program to fail and then modify the program so that the line is properly guarded and test it to ensure the program can handle your new text file. So here's the original code, and what we needed to do is to modify the line 39 here to something like this. This is just for um, how you can call it, like it's just a protocol for um, prevent uh, any kind of error you can expect when running the program. So let me show you the code. I mean the txt. Here is it. So this is the txt. We have these lines right here, and if I run the program, well, what's gonna happen is that the only thing it's going to print down is this right here, the Tuesday. But in the modified part that I just mentioned, it's going to print down Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday. So let's run the program. As you can see, it's just printing down Tuesday. I put this right here to show you the difference between the first code and the second code. This is the modified one. So in short, the list we check if the length of the list is less than 3. If so, we skip to the next line. This way we avoid the index out of range error. So it's just printing Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday. Now, in the third exercise, it says rewrite the Guardian code in the example above without the two if statements. Instead, use a compound logic expression with the logical operator or with a single if statement. So I managed to modify the code above, and I just put a single if statement here, and it's running perfectly fine. As you can see, we have the print Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Tuesday. So we have done the exercise 3. Now let's go with the exercise 4. It says download a copy of a file from this page right here. Write a program to open the file and read it line by line. For each line, split the line into a list of words using the split function. For each word, check if the word is already in the list. If the word is not in the list, add it to the list. When the program finishes, sort and print the resulting words in alphabetical order. So we have here file name, and this is where the user has to enter the file's name. And we have a try and except just in the case the user didn't print down the correct name of the file or the location. And this is the only part of the code that matters. We have the for, and here it's going to split down the line. And well, that's about it. Let's see. It says enter file name. In my case, the file name is exercise 4. Let me just copy. Okay, exercise 4 txt. As you can see, there is printing down in alphabetical order all the words. So it's running perfectly fine. If the user didn't print down, or I mean type down the correct name, like for example, let's put txt, but instead of a 4, let's put a 1, it's going to show the error, file not found, right here. It could be, we could put there like error, file not found, or anything you want. Now let's go with the exercise number 6. It says, rewrite the program that prompts the user for a list of numbers and prints out the maximum and minimum of the numbers at the end when the user enters done. Write a program to store the numbers the user enters in a list and use the max and minimum functions to compute the maximum and minimum after the loop completes. So let's run the program. I'm going to print down here. I'm going to type down here the same txt. Now it says enter file name. Mm, Oh, I made a mistake. We didn't do the exercise number 5. I'm going to run the program again. This is the exercise number 4. Okay, enter file name. This is the exercise number 5. Write a program to read through email inbox data, and when you encounter a line that begins with from, split the line into words using split function. We're interested in who sent the message, which is the second word in the lines that starts with from. So I'm going to put the exercise number 2 from before, and it's just going to print down that there are 4 lines that start with the word from. So that's the exercise number 5. Now let's continue to exercise number 6 that I just mentioned before, and it's just going to show the maximum and minimum number. If I put a 1, then let's go with a 4, 2, 9, I don't know, 6, 8, and now let's print down and let's type down done so the code finishes there, and it shows the maximum number that is 9 and the minimum number that is a number 1. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this Python video about lists, and see you in the next one. Peace.